If you're craving chocolate cake but don't want to start a big cooking project, you can try this flourless mug cake. So let's make it together. Going to crack an egg. Then add 2 tablespoons of almond butter or any other, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of chocolate protein. Mine is sweetened, so I won't be adding any sweetener. A teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda. Once it's well combined, we'll transfer it to a mug. Top it with chocolate chips. So off to the microwave. Became super fluffy.